Samsung's next big flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, has officially leaked. After the letdown of the S24 series, Apple plagiarism allegations, and quality issues, can Samsung's next premium offering save the company's reputation? This is Emmanuel with TechRepublic, and as a loyal Samsung fan, I have scoured the internet for the latest rumors, leaks, and speculations about next year's Ultra device. But keep in mind that these are just rumors, so nothing's officially confirmed until the device launches. So let's talk about what we can expect from next year's Galaxy S25 Ultra. First up, according to leaks from Ice Universe on Twitter, the S25 Ultra is going back to rounded corners for a more comfortable grip. Now this is kind of a big deal since Samsung hasn't used a rounded design since the Note 20 Ultra back in 2020, which is why it's been my main phone since then. The display is rumored to get a slight increase to 6.9 inches, up from the S24 Ultra's 6.8. Plus, it's expected to be lighter at just 219 grams. Now this is pretty impressive because the S24 Ultra is 233 grams and the iPhone 16 Pro Max is 227 grams. Now, part of this is rumored to be because Samsung is ditching the thick heavy metal frame around the device, so the Ultra will feel thinner and lighter in your hand. On the camera front, it doesn't look like we'll be getting a lot of major updates, but the ultra-wide lens is rumored to have an increase from 12 megapixels to 50. Unfortunately, that's the only major camera system update that we're gonna get, so expect the same telephoto and main lens as the S24 Ultra. And don't be shocked if Samsung tries to distract us from the lack of camera updates with a bunch of new Galaxy AI camera features that no one plans on using. On top of that, the phone cases for the Ultra just leaked, and it seems like the camera arrangement might shift a bit. Compared to the S24 Ultra, the holes for the cameras are noticed to be larger and closer together, while the entire camera layout looks to be shifted closer to the top left corner. Not a huge change, but noticeable. For the battery, the S25 Ultra is rumored to use a 5000 mAh battery and have up to 45 watt charging, just like the Galaxy S24, S23, and S22 Ultras. No comment. Actually, comment. Samsung, why are you selling us the same phones every— Sorry, lost my quote for a second. In good news, the Ultra is rumored to get 16 gigabytes of RAM, which is 4 gigabytes more than the S24 Ultra. Samsung hasn't packed this much RAM into a phone since the S21 Ultra, and the sudden change is likely due to how much RAM Galaxy AI will require. It's also been rumored that the Ultra will get a chip upgrade to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, which should help with speed and processing power. And recently, it's been certified by the China Quality Center as a satellite mobile terminal, meaning satellite communication might be on the table. Overall, I don't see Samsung winning over any new fans or fixing their reputation with basically the same camera and battery setup. But I'll probably be upgrading since I haven't gotten an OS update on my Note Ultra in a couple of years. So tell me in the comments below, what do you think about the S25 Ultra based on these leaks? And be honest, but be nice. If you want to stay up to date on the latest Samsung news, head over to TechRepublic.com. Till next time, thanks for watching.